Hi everybody, Patty Ann here. Hey, Tony had written to me and asked me if I could help her with this. She's not doing this exact little purse, but this would tell her how to do what she wants to do. So I go to Sweet Pea oftentimes because I love some of their things. I'm not affiliated with them, but this happens to be free. So if you want the link, I can give it to you down below. And I'm going to show Tony how she can change the wording on this and have it stitch out in the proper order. So let's go to Embrilliance and I'll show you. All right, here we are in Embrilliance, and there are two different sides of this. This is the front that says wolf, and this is the back that has the zipper and it says owned by this dog. So let's just pretend that all she wants to do is change this where it says wolf and make it say something else. For example, I'm going to make it say Roxy. That's the name of my dog. So I look over here in the objects panel and I find where it says wolf right there. And I can see it comes right after step number 13. So I need to remember that. Maybe I need to write it down. So it's going to be right after 13, okay? So I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to come over here to the text tool, and I'm going to type in the name Roxy and hit enter. And then I'm going to bring it up here and maybe twirl it around a little bit. I could make a prettier font and do all that kind of stuff, but this is just to show her how to put it where it needs to be so it stitches out properly. Okay, so there's Roxy. And now if you'll notice, she says it gets down here at the very end, and that's not where she wants it. Remember what we learned? We learned that these letters actually need to come right after number 13. So all you need to do, Tony, is grab this thing and drag it up here on top of 13. And when you let go, it's going to put it right under number 13. So there you go, just like that. So now it's going to stitch out perfectly. Hey, Roxy and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and check out these two cute videos. See you soon. Bye.